make it to the airport. Let's go. Get to the airport now. We'll be late. Alright, let's get to the airport. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Let's over here. So, Billy, we're about to take off. I'm kind of a nervous flyer. I'm not really. I love flying. It's so fun when you get to look out the window, see all the clouds and the birds. I just like it. It's really good. Billy, why do you have a tattoo that says Catherine? Because that's my wife's name when I first got with her. Oh, cool. Attention, everyone. We are taking off in 5 minutes, so be prepared. We're taking off now. Attention, everyone. We are now in the air. I've got some drugs in the back I might take soon because they're good for you. I don't know why, but they are. But it's a bit rough back here. What is wrong with this driver? Everyone, I'm afraid we are going down. We are going down. Oh, what happened? Everyone's knocked out. Oh my god, he's dead. I need to tell the driver. Oh my god, that's why. He took a drug. That's why his plane crashed. Oh, that hurt. Is everyone still alive? He's breathing. He's breathing too, and he's breathing. Let me go down here. Yeah, I'm alive too. Why'd you take a drug on the plane? Not sure. You're gonna get fired, man. I know. I'm probably lost my job already. I'm gonna quickly get down. Oh, by the way, there's a guy. He's dead. Really? Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. Jesus. He's the only one that's died. It's just us. Yeah, and wait until these people wake up. Oh, I got you. You almost fell. Okay, just go there. Okay. They're both awake. Let's go and find shelter or something. Hey, dude, stop smoking your drug and come over here. Okay, I'm coming. Find a little hole. Come on. I'm coming. Okay, we're here. Look, there's a little hole there. Okay, go, let's come on. Guys, come on. Oh, you okay? Oh, yeah, I'm okay. I just ran into that pole. Let's go now. We gotta go. Alright, I'm gonna have a break. Because we've walked like 3Ks. Let's just have a break. Can't find any shelter. Okay, guys, we gotta climb up these logs. Alright, hold on. Come on, guys. Hey, Billy, come on. Oh, you fell. Yeah, I just fell. Okay, let's travel over to these woods. Oh, come on, Billy, you need to keep up. Alright, I'm coming. Oh. Come on. Okay. So, guys, there's a camp over there. Oh, cool. Are we gonna go? Yeah. Start heading. Hi, guys. Hi. How long have you been here for? I've only been here for a day. Oh, really? Yeah, and he wants to go back because he wants to listen to his tunes and stuff. Yeah, I know. Same with me. I want to go back and play my Xbox. Well, we heard like a really loud bang from over there. Yeah, I know. We crashed our plane. Oh. Yeah, so only a couple people survived. Some guy died, fell off a little hole. Oh. Oh, guys, look. Here we have like a tent here. Nice. Yeah, and the entrance is from here.
How much people does it fit?
I don't really know. I think it fits like 2. Depends how small and big we are. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get some wood, so. Oh, is there any wood in here? Oh! Wait, I think our friend just got caught by some monster or something. Oh yeah, he got caught by this monster that's never been known. It's should we go over? Yeah, I think we should. Hey, what is your name? Billy. Okay, Billy, we've got to be real quiet and we've got to go over here. Be real quiet and then let's see if we can see his dead body. Can't see nothing. Okay, there's nothing to be found. We need to call the cops or something. How are we gonna call the cops? We're in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I don't know. We don't have any service. Let's just go back before we get killed. Alright, Pengu, we didn't find any blood or anything. We didn't find him. And we thought that we could call the cops, but there's no service, I just remembered. Yeah, there was no evidence or anything. So, I don't know. That's really bad. Well, your friend just died. I'm really sorry about that. Guys, I'm gonna go check the wood for that unknown monster. Just so long, I'll be back soon. Here. Evidence. Oh my god. That's him. Oh crap, run! Guys, I saw the monster. I heard the monster. Crap, what noise did it make? I don't know, it made like some noise like a gorilla, I'm not really sure. Crap. And, I saw the body. Really? Crap. We should all probably get some rest. That's a great idea, let's get some rest. Yeah, we'll just go No. Oh, it's early in the morning. I just heard some noise, like a plane. Help! This is help. There's help. Oh yeah, there's help. Help! Okay, guys, hop in. This patient in the back actually survived. He told me that you guys were over here. Oh, okay. Well, we're glad you had to help. Okay, let's get in, guys. Everyone, get in. Anyone else? Yep. Let's go. You didn't forget us. We need to go too. I was here hopping in. How are we gonna fit it in? Just jump in. Sorry, everyone. Okay, let's go. Well, it was nice meeting you, mate. Yeah, you too. I've got to go home now, so see ya later. Right, I'm finally home. Let's put in some tunes.